First, open your browser and type White Mountains Insurance customer care number. Then, you will see the latest and write White Mountains Insurance customer care number. After this, dial their customer care number. Once you've dialed the number, be prepared to listen carefully to the automated system or the initial greeting. Here's what typically happens and how to proceed. 1. Automated system, interactive voice response, IVR. You'll likely be greeted by a recorded message. This system will often present you with a menu of options. Listen carefully to these options, as they are designed to direct your call to the appropriate department. Common options might include claims, policy services, billing inquiries, new policies, agent support, if you are an agent. 2. Select the relevant option. Using the keypad on your phone, press the number that corresponds to the reason for your call. For example, if you have a question about your existing policy, you might press the number for policy services. 3. Further submenus. Potentially, depending on the complexity of their system, you might encounter further submenus to narrow down your query even more. Again, listen carefully and select the option that best fits your needs. 4. Waiting for a representative. After navigating the menu, you will likely be placed in a queue to speak with a live customer service representative. You may hear hold music or periodic updates on your estimated wait time. 5. Speaking to a representative. When a representative answers, greet them politely and clearly state the reason for your call. Provide them with any necessary information, such as your policy number, name, and date of birth, to help them access your account. 6. Ask your questions or explain your issue. Clearly and concisely explain your query or the issue you are experiencing. Be prepared to answer any questions the representative may have. 7. Listen to the response. Pay close attention to the information and instructions the representative provides. If you don't understand something, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. 8. Take notes, optional but recommended. It can be helpful to jot down the representative's name, any reference numbers they give you, and the outcome of your call. 9. Confirm next steps, if applicable. If further action is required, make sure you understand what those steps are and who is responsible for taking them. 10. Politely end the call. Once your query has been addressed, thank the representative for their assistance and end the call. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively communicate with the customer care representative at White Mountains Insurance after dialing their customer care number.